How to download and install Google Chrome on Windows. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily download and install Google Chrome on your PC. So if you have Windows installed on your device, the default browser you're going to get is Microsoft Edge, or if you have an older version of Windows, you'll have Explorer. Just go ahead and open that browser. And in order to download Chrome, all you have to do is simply search for Chrome download and hit enter. Now you'll find the very first link right here to download Chrome today, download Google Chrome. Open this one up and you'll have this big download Chrome button. What it will do is it will download an installation file on your PC and you can run that installation file .exe file to install Chrome. So let's just open this file up and then allow permission to download. Now as you can see, it's connecting to the internet and downloading Google Chrome on our PC. So all you have to do here is just wait for a bit. And as you can see, the installation process has started. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically download Google Chrome on your PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.